All right, let's keep this review rolling. But first, hit that like button if you're tired of overthinking, and let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried any interesting strategies to quiet your mind. Stop Overthinking by Nick Trenton is a self-help book. Key takeaways: 1. Practices of mindfulness. The book places a strong emphasis on the role that mindfulness plays in lessening overthinking. 2. Trenton presents techniques for reorganizing unfavorable thought patterns. 3. Gratitude and positive thinking. These two strategies are emphasized as powerful means of preventing overthinking and advancing mental health. 4. Self-compassion. By accepting that mistakes are inevitable and by showing kindness and understanding to yourself. 5. Setting boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries in relationships and learning to say no when necessary are essential for reducing stress. 6. Time management. Effective time management techniques are discussed to help readers prioritize tasks. 7. Physical well-being. Taking care of physical health through regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a nutritious diet. 8. Living in the present. The book emphasizes the importance of focusing on the present moment and letting go of worries about the past or future. If you like this review, you can get this audiobook by clicking on my affiliate link for a free trial from Audible found in the description of this video section. Thanks for listening.